Alright, to show the functionality of our DIY tile and how you would customize it in the field and how it works, I think it's best to show it with the rep kits here. So the first thing we're going to do is put together one of the frame kits here, and I'm going to set it beside the standard tile on a similar kit, the same type of kit. So this shows an 18 by 18 inch tile, and then the DIY tile is 9 by 18. And so it can go between the beams just like the normal tile. You will notice that it has these aluminum support strips. Those are what actually hold the load of people walking on it, not the plastic tile. So the support strip goes between the two beams, so perpendicular, and sits on this ledge on both of those beams, and that is what actually holds the weight. All right, so in this configuration, you can cut the tile anywhere you want on the tile, and it will still connect as long as you cut this way. And to change the length, all right, and now the other way that we customize is by width. And so if I've got my two platform kits like this, the way I customize the width is by varying the distance between them, okay? And so in the current configuration, the tile would go like this. So it's 18 inches and it would go in here, but there's really no reason to do that because you could just put a regular tile here. So to customize, you would need to cut it, all right? And if you cut between 18 and 9 inches, the tile has to go this way. So you would have two tiles filling this gap, okay? And again, those support strips are still going between the two beams. Over here, I have a tile that I've already cut and cut on one of the particular lines that show where it can be cut so that it can still connect. If you're going to customize between 9 and 3 inches, you can turn the tile and just use one between the two pieces. And so in the rep kit, there are 3 other support strips that are made to go widthwise. So like this. So you put one at each end, and then one roughly in the middle. I'll put a little piece of tape there to hold it in place. And so without cutting, we have a 9-inch wide piece here. To show how to go between 9 inches wide and about 3 inches wide, we're going to modify this narrow strip that we had here that we used earlier. I'm going to take the support strips out. And put these narrow ones in, one on each end and one in the middle. And to keep it from falling out, I'm going to use this piece of duct tape to hold it in place. Okay, so again, bring the pieces, the two kits close together, and get it in the groove. And that's how you do that type of customization. And again, if you want further details on all of this, go see our videos on how to customize foundation. Thanks for watching.